Salah has rare day misfiring as Liverpool is held by Stoke. Liverpool, England, app. Premier League leading scorer Mohamed Salah had a rare off day as Liverpool stumbled in its chase for a top-4 finish by drawing 0-0 with Stoke on Saturday. When the Egypt forward broke clear and dinked the ball over goalkeeper Jack Butland, most of Anfield started to celebrate. So there was a feeling of disbelief when the ball went wide and he was denied a 44th goal of the season in all competitions. It was the first time since December 26 Salah had started a home match and did not score. It was Liverpool's third draw in 4 league games. Jurgen Klopp's third-place side still requires a maximum of 4 points from its last 2 matches, including a trip to 5th-place Chelsea, to be sure of Champions League qualification. Liverpool's priority is currently this season's Champions League and protecting a 5-2 lead over Roma heading into the semi-final second leg on Wednesday. The draw did little to help Stoke's survival bid as it remains in the relegation zone surrounded by teams with games in hand.